Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the unboxing of my new acrylic paint set. Let's dive in and take a look at these gorgeous colors. The packaging looks amazing. The colors are so vibrant and inviting. Let me show you what's inside. Okay, so here are the colors I got. Titanium white, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, ultramarine blue, viridian green dot, and many more. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing the new acrylic paint colors I got. If you have any favorite art supplies or colors, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.